Hello everyone. I thought I should record a video as I have changed my main trend in gold, euro, USD, GBP USD from buying to selling again. And I have changed my trend in USD yen and USD CAD from selling to buying. As those who watched my early video, in that I already have discussed that the main pressure in Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold is selling. But currently, this was the time, I think. Yes, this was the area when the gold and Euro USD, all other pairs were moving in a buying pattern. So, what my opinion at that time was that I expected that this weekly correction will prolong further upward, but it suddenly converted when it break below this uh, buying channel in which it was moving, and I expected it to move in this direction further, and then it will come down again eventually. But it changed its trend from here, and I waited for some time that it might recover. But now my current trend is selling, as you can see in the higher time frames. We already know that the color is red in weekly and a healthy red daily candle. So all things right now are indicating a selling trend. If you look at the monthly candle, actually in this month the gold is just moving very near to its opening price. So sometime it is red, sometime it is green. Currently it is red again. And if you look at the weekly candle, when it started, it moved toward the green zone for some time, but then it eventually came down. So the color in the weekly candle is also indicating the same. If you look at the trend line, same is the case. In my previous video, I already discussed that the current main pressure is selling, and I expect a weekly correction and then again a downward trend. So that downward trend, in my opinion, has just started now again. Now, if you look at the daily time frame, a healthy red candle that clearly mentions selling trend, and so I have changed my trend due to these reasons in gold from buying to selling. Same is the case with Euro USD. Again, a healthy red candle which is indicating a selling pressure in the coming days. And if you look at the weekly candle, it is again indicating a selling trend as it is trading below its opening price. And if we draw a trend line, so in daily time frame the trend is still strong sell. In the short term, if you look at H4, all these three pairs, gold, Euro USD and GBP USD, they were moving in an upward trend. But today in the US session, they all changed their trend from buying to selling, as when they breached this buying trend line or buying angle. So Euro USD is same like gold, and if we look at GBP USD, it is again indicating something like something same as Euro USD and gold is indicating that a selling trend is about to start. And once again, fellows, this is just my opinion, my personal opinion, what I will do, what I am doing. It's not a recommendation. Market can totally move against my expectations. So keep that thing in mind. And if we look at it in the monthly time frames, same, it is a healthy red candle, and in weekly it is still a tiny green candle, but as Euro USD and GBP and gold is already indicating a selling pressure. So you can expect a selling pressure coming soon in GBP USD also, and in the short time frames in H4 H1 time frame you can clearly see that already red candles have started to form. If we look at USD yen, you can clearly see that it is forming clear green candles, and in monthly time frame also it has converted from red to green color. In weekly you can clearly see green candles, a continuation of the green candles. Now, as opposite to Euro USD and gold, a healthy green candle, they have a healthy red candle, and you can clearly see UJ a healthy green candle. So they all are indicating the same thing, that USD yen can continue further. As you can see, this is the current buying trend. Higher highs and higher lows are forming. This was a dip, this was a consolidation phase, and now again I expect a breakout upwards above 110 area. Now if we look at USD CAD, a healthy green candle in daily time frame, a green candle forming in the weekly time frame, and in the monthly time frame it is still red, but the short time frames are indicating that soon, because we have time left in this monthly closing. So if the short time frames like H4 or daily or weekly continues green, so this monthly candle will soon be also green. So currently, what my opinion right now is, or what I will do, that I'll hold my trades in gold, Euro USD, GBP USD in sell, as I expect that this was just a weekly correction which is over, and I expect the coming 2-3 weeks again some red candles or a selling pressure, and I expect USD yen and USD CAD to move further upwards against the other pairs. So, but please keep in mind this is just our opinion, and you should keep moving as per your plans. And I wish you good luck. Thank you.